Farmers, producers, retailers, and consumers, all of us need clean, residue-free fruits and vegetables. To make this available, several operations are done before it goes to the market and consumers. Let's find out. I am Ken Eric P. Ganza, Bachelor in Agricultural Technology, and this is Post-Harvest Packaging Operations. Dumping is the first step in operation where harvested produce is removed from the field bin or harvesting container and moved through the packing house. Dumping must be done gently, whether using water-assisted methods or dry dumping. Wet dumping can decrease bruising and abrasions by using moving, chlorinated water to carry delicate produce. When using dry dumping, padded, slope pumps or moving conveyor belts can decrease injuries to produce. Washing fruits and vegetables manually is very difficult. It takes a good amount of labor and material handling resources. In packing house operation, they use brute washer machine which has circulating water pump and high pressure water. It also adopts air steering to quickly clean the fruits and vegetables and protect the integrity of the produce. After washing, sorting is done to remove rejects, decayed, damaged, and any product that is too small. The height of the sorting table should be set at a level of comfortable for sorters. It should be at moderate pace and product must not flow too fast for the sorters to work. Good lighting will enhance the ability of the sorters to spot defects. Dark, dull beds or tabletops can reduce eye strain. Waxing is done by waxing machine which has a series of dry brushes on a conveyor line. Industrial wool felt inside the machine distributed the liquid wax to the fruits or vegetables from a trough made with the same width as the belt. Evaporation of wax from the felt is reduced by covering the felt with a layer of heavy polyethylene sheeting. Waxing is done not only to have a glossy finish and appealing look. It is also done to prevent the moisture loss, especially to the produce contain high moisture level. Sizing or grading is optional but may be worthwhile if certain size grades receives a higher price than others. In most low-input packing houses, manual sizing is still commonly practiced. Operators should be trained in selecting the sizes. However, modern sizing machines make the work easier. The machine automatically determines the sizes of each produce from smallest to largest and distribute in a certain grade. Curing process involves the application of high temperature and high relative humidity to the roots and tubers for long periods in order to heal the skins wounded during harvesting. With this process, a new protected layer of cells is formed. The better the cure, the longer the produce will last. Curing can be accomplished in the field or in curing structures conditions for that purpose. Modern curing systems have been implemented in housing conditions with fans and heaters to produce the heat necessary for high temperatures and high relative humidity. Cooling is done with several pre-cooling methods. It is applied to extend shelf life and maintain a fresh-like quality. Some of the low temperature treatments are unsuitable for simple rural or village treatment but are included for consideration as follows. Icing is a common method where ice is added to boxes of produce by placing a layer of crushed ice directly to the top of the crop. An ice slurry can be applied in the following proportion: 60% finely crushed ice, 40% water, and 0.1% sodium chloride to lower the melting point. Vacuum cooling is done with the vacuum cooler pallets where it sucks out all the air and cools down the produce in the middle of the pallet. Vacuum cooler pallets is the main thing in this method. Forced air cooling systems blow air at a high velocity leading to desiccation of the crop. To minimize this effect, various methods of humidifying the cooling air have been designed, such as blowing the air through cold water sprays. Hydrocooling process has a further advantage over other pre-cooling methods where it can help clean the produce. Chlorinated water can be used to avoid the spoilage of the crop. However, hydrocooling is commonly used for vegetables such as asparagus, celery, sweet corn, radish, and carrots, but it is seldom used for fruits. Those are the packaging operations done in packing house to fruits and vegetables before it transferred to the market or consumers. All of this operation is done to ensure the cleanliness, safety, and especially to maintain the top quality of produce and extend their shelf life. Again, I am Ken Eric P. Ganza, Bachelor in Agricultural Technology student, and this is my presentation of packaging operations. Thank you.